Hello, today I have an '08 QX56 Infiniti, and like you see here, and the AC working all the way, nothing happened on off. It's just blowing air on high the whole time. Look what I'm gonna do now. If you go to passenger side, oh, it's just a quick video to show you how to fix the problem. Passenger side, under the glove box, you just remove the two retainers over here, two clip, and you look down here by the blower over there, and here is the blower resistor. I'm gonna disconnect it, and I'm gonna connect the new one. I got it from AutoZone. I was just like maybe 50 bucks, 55 bucks. Then I'm gonna connect it. I'll show you the magic right now. I have another video about the Armada also, same problem. Now I'm gonna start it again after connecting. And boom. And it stopped working now. See, the screen was not working before. Now you see, you can control the air up and down, and you can turn it off also. You see now the difference. That's it. Please like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.